Please talk loudly. Now,
Yes,
please
sir.
tell
Hello.
me,
Am I audible?
is this your first mock with me?
Yes, sir. This is my first mock with you.
Acha, which date is your interview?
Sir, the interview date has not come up till now,
You are
so
from
I'm
New
waiting for
Delhi?
it.
You are from New Delhi?
Sir, from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Nagpur, Maharashtra. Acha, acha.
Like currently I'm in Nagpur, sir. Basically,
Oh,
I'm from Bhopal, MP.
okay, good.
Sir, mine will
Mm,
be conducted now, right?
yeah, yeah. After this man, after this gentleman, after 15 minutes. Okay, you please stay on.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, yes, sir.
yeah, yeah. Mr. What is your name? Dipanshu Thakre. Please tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Dipanshu Thakre, and I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The city is also known as the City of Lakes. And I have done my higher schooling from Bhopal itself, from a CBSE school. And afterwards I have done my graduation from Bhopal itself. My subject was BCom Travel and Tourism, and while I was pursuing my graduation, I also took active participation in national service scheme, whereby I was fortunate enough to have undergone ground level surveys like ASSER survey. Its full form is Annual Status of Education Report. Simultaneously, I also went for district level NSS camp. During my graduation itself, I have also done a banking certification course. Afterwards, I appeared for a competitive examination and got one of the best college of Madhya Pradesh, from where I pursued my master's MBA in marketing. And afterwards, I got placed in ICICI Home Finance, and right now I'm working in ICICI Home Finance itself. So during graduation, I did my summer internship in India Post Payment Banks also. Talking about my family, so I have my parents and a younger sister. My father works in postal department, and my younger sister works in AIMS Bhopal.
Yeah. Now, please tell me, you are working in ICCI Homes. So, what type of loans are they giving? You are in which branch of ICICI Home?
Sir, first of all, we provide secured loans, and
Mm,
we provide home loans and non-home loans also, which is known as LAP also.
mm.
Our home finance institution provides gold loan and deposits also, but most prominent products of our home finance is home loan.
Do,
So
you-
for that purpose,
do you accept deposits from public?
no, sir, we do not accept deposits from public, but
Then
that deposit we done.
what is the source of finance for you? From where are you getting source?
Sir,
Hello,
source. Hello, sir.
source,
Source
source,
as
source.
in
Uh,
source, sir. We come under direct supervision of ICICI Bank. Our institution is a wholly subsidiary of ICICI Bank itself, so it is the primary source of our finances.
Acha, good. So while giving home loan, what are the securities you take? What is the procedure that is followed? Are you involved in any of these processes, or in which process are you working every day?
Okay, sir. Talking about the process. So first of all, there are two kinds of security checks. First, we go for the profile of the customer. Second thing is the property which the customer is going to purchase in the near future. If both the things are good, then only we provide them loan. For example, if a person comes to me and his CIBIL score is more than 650, then we will consider. And if the property which that person is going to own is also in a very posh location, or for that matter, if even if it is not in a very good location, but that property is good, so that in case of NPS we can have that property and get some amount out of it. Only then we will be providing them loan. And so talking about my profile and my working, so my position here is MDS manager. So what
What
I
what
have to
what
do is that
what what is your position?
sir, MDS manager, so manager of DMA channel. So
Manager
basically
of
what DMA
BMA.
channel, sir.
BMA means?
Sir, DMA is direct management associates.
Acha, acha, acha. Oh,
Yes, sir.
what are you
Sir,
doing?
as we
Who are the
yes, sir.
associates?
Sir, yes, sir. I was just about to tell the same thing. As we all know that in order to like promote financial inclusion, what RBI and other Indian Banking Association did was that they started they introduced the concept of corporate houses. Basically, these corporate houses interact with general public and collect leads from them. And
Mm.
so I have to source that lead from that corporate houses and log in that file, look into the matter that where it is getting stuck, provide necessary documents, and I have to take that particular case or file till the time it gets disbursed. And even afterwards, if the client has defaulted, I have to help with the collection teams also to track them and provide that particular installment.
What is the nature of work you are doing actually every day? सुबह कितना बजे काम शुरू करते हैं? What is it you are doing? Till what time you will be doing it?
Sir, like you are talking about the particular job or my daily schedule.
Daily schedule.
Sir, I wake up at 6:30 in the
No,
morning.
no, no.
Afterwards, I
Schedule.
go.
शेड्यूल का मतलब ऑफिस शेड्यूल. ऑफिस में क्या काम करते हैं?
Okay, sir. Okay. So first of all, I reach office by 9:15, and my first work is to check that whatever file I have logged in, is there any kind of queries related with it, like documents, improper documents, or if some other documents have to be furnished by me.
How many people
So
are
I,
there like you? How many people like you are working in that ICICI home?
sir, in my particular role, there are only four people: MDS manager, rest are sales manager or sales representative.
Mhm.
One TBM is there. So,
Mm.
like me, other three people are there in my
Very good.
position.
Yeah. So रोज क्या करते हैं आप? What is it you are doing every day morning?
Okay. Sir, first of all, I have to interact with my channel partners. So I have to ask them, is there any new kind of cases that can be logged into our bank, ICICI Home Finance? And if there comes any kind of cases, I just go directly to them, interact with them, check all the documents are there or not. If everything is good, so I immediately logs in the file to the software and takes amount from the client. Afterwards, I look the matter towards the
What
sanctioning
is
of the
the
report.
what is the margin you take for the loans?
Sir,
What is
home
the
loans,
margin?
sir, actually it differs from case to case, but on an average, we can say that 2% margin remains there.
2%. You are telling wrong. Minimum 20% margin they will ask. Now, whenever a person purchases a home for 100 rupees, he will be asked to provide at least 20 rupees from his hand. I think you don't know the concept of margin. Doesn't matter. I'll stop questions about this now
Sir, you,
at this
uh,
stage.
s-
Now I will
yes, sir.
go to Federal Bank. Please tell me what you know about Federal Bank.
Sir, Federal Bank is one of the leading private banks that are operating in India, as well as it is also having branches abroad also. It was started in 1931, and initially its name was Travancore Federal
ये
Bank.
सब बो-
Af-
ये सब बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है because who has time to listen to all these things? The one problem with you is that you talk more. It's because you are working in LIC, ICICI, so you are used to talking with people quite often. So you talk more than what is required. When they ask about Federal Bank, what are the things to be told? I have told in hundreds of videos. If you have watched them, you will be able to tell me the correct point. Nobody is interested in history. Tell me data, figures. I think
yes, sir.
because you are really busy, you have not been watching my videos. Am I right?
Sir, I'm trying to follow as much as possible.
How many
Like
have you
the day,
watched? You would have watched three or four maximum.
uh, sir, I'm going through the content which you are sharing most of the time, like the business line and headlines, all the current affairs like things. Sir, like reading stuff, I am able to follow, but video, I am very often I am able to follow it just because of my schedule.
See, the answers have to be to the point. You have to tell Federal Bank means started by so and so in the year so and so, headquarters in so and so place. It has so many branches, it has so many customers, it has so many ATMs, and they offer these products, deposit products, they offer these loan products, they also offer these digital products. The awards received by them are these, the corporate social responsibility done by them are this, and their total business as on 30th June 2024 is this, like this. ऐसा बिल्कुल ठीक से बात बताना है, briefly. Do you
Okay,
follow
sir.
what I say?
No,
Yeah, please tell me who is the MD
absolutely,
and
sir.
MD and CEO.
So
But
the MD and
you
CEO.
not, but one thing, you will be rated good because you are very good in English. You are communicating with confidence. But that alone will not do. You have to watch at least 50 or 60 videos of mine, or at least 20 videos of mine to know what are the questions asked, how they are being to be replied. Are you following the questions I'm giving every day in the group?
y- Yes, sir. I am following all of it, sir.
Acha, what are the questions? Recent questions? Tell me.
Sir, recent question that in yesterday's session also, when you asked to that one girl, like what was one of the most difficult situation that you have faced in
Oh,
your life, and that.
exactly, exactly. That's good. That is right. Very good. Now, please tell me what was the total deposit of our bank as on 30th June. Okay. Please tell me what is the share price of Federal Bank as on today.
The share price of Federal Bank is approximately 193 rupees.
Very good. Now, please tell me who is the MD and CEO.
Sir, the MD and CEO of Federal Bank is Mr. KVS Manian.
Very good. Correct. Now, please tell me what are the awards they have received recently.
Sir, the
Okay.
Federal Bank has received a reward from NASCOM also,
Hmm.
and this award is the only one which I am remembering right now. I will study about it.
Yeah. Please tell me what do you mean by KYC? What are the formalities observed to fulfill KYC?
Sir, the full form of KYC is Know Your Customer, and it includes two parts. First one is the identity, and second one is the address. The identity in most of the cases remains same of any individual, but address tends to change. So banks have to renew the client's information every 10 years.
What are the documents we take for address proof and identity proof?
Sir, for identity proof, we take Aadhaar card, and for address proof also we take identity card. Apart from it, driving license, passport, as well as PAN card is also necessary.
Very good. In a PAN card, how many alphanumeric digits are there?
Sir, I am not remembering exact digits. I will
So
see on it.
what is the expansion of PAN card?
Sir, expansion of PAN card.
Mm, PAN, permanent account number. Acha, you have to go through my questions, 330 pages questions. Please check up, prepare yourself, take leave and prepare. Otherwise, it is difficult for you to clear the interview. You are very excellent candidate, but the lack of knowledge will affect you. Okay? Please prepare.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes.
Have a good.
I will give a next date after you are getting dates, your interview date.
Okay, sir.
Good. I'm sorry